So we decided. You did it! Way to go! We hired some professional tree decorators.
You gonna put it on that
Oh, you like that?
Mm-hmm.
Oliver, that looks very good.
And look at this one is special.
Oh, it's special. Is it so gorgeous, Nora?
Yeah.
Is it? What is it?
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Oliver, you making sure we got a nice balanced tree? Well, oh wow. You did. Okay, be careful. Don't fall back there. You saying hi to Granddaddy? Yeah. What else are we going to put on there, Oliver? More ornaments? You see more? What do we need? Yeah? Oh, that's a good one. Oh, no, we got to find one for that. Okay, let's get a different one. You see a different one? Oh, thank God these ornaments don't break. Ooh, good. Yeah, find a spot. Did you do it? Okay, you can help Granddad? Such a good job.